Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about kingdom Animalia. In previous class, we have already discussed the kingdom Plantae. Today I am going to classify the kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia include all multicellular, eukaryotic, and heterotrophic organ. The cells of the organ do not have cell wall, they do not have chlorophyll, they cannot synthesize their own food, so they are called animals in Animalia. Now, kingdom Animalia is further classified on the basis of level of organization. There are different level of organization, either cellular level or tissue level or organ level or organ system level of organization. On the basis of level of organization, the kingdom Animalia is divided into either cellular level or tissue, organ or organ system level. In cellular level of organization, has only one phylum, which is Porifera. Cellular level of organization, it includes only one phylum, Porifera. Now, tissue or organ or organ system level of organization. This group is further classified on the basis of symmetry. Symmetry is a line through which the body can be divided into two equal halves or mirror image of each other, and the line through which the organ can be divided into two parts is called line of symmetry. Here, animals have two types of symmetry: radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. In radial symmetry, body can be divided into two equal halves by any of the plane passing through the radius. But in bilateral symmetry, there is only one symmetrical line through which body is divided into two equal halves. Now, in bilateral symmetry, the organ can be further classified on the basis of presence of body cavity or coelom. Coelom, if present, or there are three types of body cavity: either acoelomate, that means without coelom, organ do not have coelom; pseudocoelomate, that means organ have false coelom; and coelomate. This includes all the animals which have true coelom. Acoelomates include only one phylum, which is Platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomate include only one phylum, which is Aschelminthes. And coelomate include 6 phylums. They are Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and Chordata. So in this way, we see that the animal kingdom are further classified into different phylums. We study one by one phylum in detail. See the figure of sketchic diagrammatic classification of kingdom Animalia. And the radial symmetry organ which has radial symmetry also have two phylum, Coelenterata and Ctenophora. Coelenterata and Ctenophora. You can say the animal kingdom have different phylums. First, Porifera, second, Coelenterata, third, Ctenophora, fourth, Platyhelminth, five, Aschelminthis, six, Annelida, seven, Arthropoda, eight, Mollusca, nine, Echinodermata, 10, Hemichordata, and 11, Chordata. So there are 11 phylum which are included in the kingdom Animalia. Once again, I repeat the sketchic diagrammatic classification of kingdom Animalia on the basis of level of organization. There are two types of organism. Either they have cellular level of organization or tissue, organ or organ system level of organization. Cellular level of organization has only one phylum, which is Porifera. Now tissue or organ system level of organization, this type of animals are further classified on the basis of symmetry. There are two types of symmetry, either radial symmetry or bilateral symmetry. Radially symmetrical organisms have two phylums, Coelenterata and Ctenophora. Bilaterally symmetrical organisms are further classified on the basis of body cavity or coelom, acoelomates, pseudocoelomates, and coelomates. Acoelomates include only one phylum, Platyhelminthes. Coelomate include one phylum, which is Aschelminthis, and coelomates include six phylums, which are Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and Chordata. Altogether, there are 9 phylums of animal: Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthis, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and Chordata. In next class, we study the characteristics of all these 11 phylums of animal in detail.